We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are showing you how to make whole roasted onions with butter and herbs. Enjoy these as a side dish, blended into soups, or spread onto toast with a drizzle of vinegar. We leave the skins on when roasting onions whole, but trim both the top and bottom. Trimming the top means that we can season the onions with lots of herbs, and trimming the bottom helps to keep them steady in the baking dish. If any of the papery skins fall away from the onions as you cut them, don't worry. Season the onions all over with salt and then arrange in a baking dish. As always, the full recipe with ingredient amounts is on Inspired Taste. Broil the onions until the tops turn golden brown and the papery skins char in places. In addition to the onions, we will need lots of fresh herbs. I'm using rosemary, thyme, and sage, but you can use what you love. Simply chop them small. We also need some butter. Just slice it into thin slabs. Place a slab of butter onto each onion and mound lots of chopped herbs on top of it. Finish with some black pepper and add a few bay leaves. Cover the onions with foil or use parchment paper. Switch your oven from broil to bake, and then bake the onions until soft and sweet. Don't forget, the full recipe with ingredient amounts is on Inspired Taste. Spooning some of the butter that melted down into the bottom of the pan over the onions is a must. When they are done, serve the onions as is or remove the skins. They come off easily. These are delicious now, but for an extra pop of flavor, drizzle a little balsamic or sherry vinegar on top. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.